just a cool hall. Tarr 2 is like probably one of the best. We're like a family, really. We'll just go into each other's rooms, everybody.
I like our room a lot. Like we really made it into like a home instead of just a dorm room.
Most of everybody on Tarr 2 plays football, so like we all go to weights together at 6 in the morning, go to practice together, eat together.
Like in my opinion, the downstairs area is great. Like I'm there a lot. Like I spend my time studying there. Like we play pool down there. Like it's a good area to bond with people.
My roommate's like my brother. We go everywhere together.
Like once we started playing football, like we really bonded, and like he's like a brother to me. Like he really, like I could call him my brother. So yeah, having a roommate's definitely a great time.
The advice I would have for incoming students is honestly don't take everything from home here, because that's what I did, and now I just have stuff everywhere and it's really hard to keep it clean. Like I used to collect socks, so I have like over 100 pairs of socks that I never wear, and they're just stuffed in a drawer.
I would say definitely bring like storage cabinets or like a storage shelf, because that like one desk drawer isn't gonna store all your things. Like we got bins in here, we got like drawers and like hampers. Like those will definitely be your friend when you come here.